In a few easy steps, you can make this brown sugar honey scrub with only 3 ingredients right at home. So let's go. You'll need honey, brown sugar, soft brown sugar, baking soda, and that's it. That's good enough for your face scrub. So let's get started. I'm going to make this in the container, so I'm going to use about 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use as much brown sugar as you'd like for your container, but my container, it's just a small 100 ml container, so I'm just going to make it right in the container. So here I'm adding the refined brown sugar because brown sugar can be used as a gentle exfoliant. It can help to remove the dead skin cells from your skin, and it promotes smoother skin, and it improves your overall skin texture. You can see the results immediately. You can feel the results immediately. Once you use this, your skin will be super soft right away. So add your brown sugar according to your container, according to how much you want to make for one batch. So that's good enough for me for this really small container. Next, I'm going to add baking soda. And guys, baking soda can gently exfoliate your skin as well. It's not too harsh. It will help to remove the dead skin cells, and it will also balance the pH levels of your skin. It can help with acne, blackheads, skin discoloration, etc. Of course, be consistent when you're using these things. So do not add too much baking soda to this. So 6 tablespoons of brown sugar to just 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and that'll be perfect. No more than that. The next ingredient is honey, and honey is a natural humectant, so it draws moisture to the skin and it makes it softer and more hydrated. So after you scrub your skin, you don't have to worry about your skin being all dry because the honey will help to moisturize your skin. And simple guys, in these simple steps, adding 3 simple ingredients, you basically have a wonderful face scrub. So mix this all together until it gets really nice and the consistency is a bit runny. It shouldn't be too thick, it shouldn't be too runny. And you can add more honey if needs be, because as I said, you do not want to have this too thick. It should be nice and have a little runny consistency so that you'll be able to spread it all over your face and massage it well while you gently exfoliate. How simple is it to use 3 ingredients that you probably already have at home to make yourself a face scrub without going to the mart or wherever else to buy a face scrub. It's always better to do it at home, right? So this consistency is perfect, really perfect for me. It's easy to spread on my face. It makes my face nice and smooth right away. It's so perfect. And this is it. The perfect consistency. I love it. Love it. So you can use this in the shower, you can use this in the morning, in the evening. You can use it like at least 3 times per week because consistency is the key. Now I'm going to show you how my face looked after I used this in the shower, like probably a minute. This was like a minute after, and look at how my face looks. My face doesn't look dry. I have pimples on my face, etc. a little bit, but my face was, you can tell that my face was feeling so smooth just after one use. So imagine if you stay consistent to this, you stay true to this, and you use it all the time, it will be perfect. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing. Let me know when you try this simple 3-ingredient scrub, and let me know how you like it, how it makes your face feel, because it made mine feel wonderful. So please share this video with a friend of a friend so that YouTube might recommend this video to others. Again, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next time. Until next video.